Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Retro Chai. I wanted to get in front of the camera and make a proper video. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you the books I read recently. I'm almost done making my coffee. We'll get to the actual video after I'm done. Cute car. Anyways, here is my humble stack of books that I read recently. It isn't much, but I recently got back into reading and I finished these books and I really wanted to talk about them. Excuse me if my face seems so shiny, it's like 37 degrees here in Chennai. The first book I wanted to talk about was The Days at the Torunka Cafe by Satoshi Yagasawa. See, you have a cute cat over here. Anyways, first book for today. This is a very quiet book, but I enjoyed it so much. I got this for my birthday and I started reading it immediately. I finished the first part in like one sitting. You can genuinely connect with the characters in this book. You can feel what they're feeling in that moment. It was a very relatable book as well. I would 100% recommend this book. I guarantee you'll enjoy it as much as I did. Tucked away on a narrow side street in Tokyo is the Torunka Cafe, a neighborhood nook where the passerby are as likely to be local cats as tourists. Its regulars include Chinatsu Yukimura, a mysterious young woman who always leaves behind a napkin, folded in the shape of a ballerina, Hiroyuki Numata, a middle-aged man who's returned to the neighborhood, searching for the life he once gave up, and finally Shizuku, the cafe owner's teenage daughter who's still coming to terms with her sister's death as she falls in love for the first time. While the Torunka Cafe serves up a perfect cup of coffee, it provides these sundry souls nourishment far more lasting. Satoshi Yagisawa brilliantly illuminates the periods in our lives where we feel lost and how we find our way again. So that's that. Moving on to the second book is Welcome to the Hyeonam Dong Bookshop by Hwang Boran. I actually got this book way back in January when the YMCA fair was still going on. I didn't know about this book before I picked it up, but I'm really glad that I did because it was a very gentle book. But at the same time, it doesn't really have a conventional plot. It mostly just follows the main character around. I don't know if you guys are into that, but I genuinely loved the book. In my opinion, the book was a little optimistic in places, but at the same time, the scenes progress so well into each other that you will barely notice that you've flown through 50 pages. Yunju did everything she was supposed to do. Go to university, marry a decent man, get a respectable job. Then it all fell apart. Burnt out, Yeongju abandons her old life, quits her high-flying career and follows her dream, opening a bookshop. In a quaint neighborhood in Seoul, surrounded by books, Yeonju and her customers take refuge. From the lonely barista to the unhappily married coffee roaster and the writer who sees something special in Yeonju, they all have disappointments in their past. The Hyeonam Bookshop becomes the place where they all learn how to truly live. And for the third book, I have a dramatic shift in genre. I don't even need to say anything for this book. I always knew I was going to get there at some point. The time has come. I enjoyed the book. Moving on to the fourth and last book of the day, The Blue Sisters by Coco Meadows. Sorry, I forgot you guys for that. Anyways, for the last and fourth book of the day, we have The Blue Sisters by Coco Meadows. This book has a lot of mixed reviews, and I would honestly say read it for yourself before making an opinion. But here's mine. This book, it was entertaining, but I didn't really love it. Some parts were very well written, but once the last page ended for me, I didn't think about it anymore. The plot nor the characters really stayed with me after the story ended, and I definitely read it if I was bored, but it's not something I would pick up to read twice, right? That's something like that. Yeah. Here are the books I read recently. I hope you guys found a new book to read. Definitely let me know your recommendations in the comment section down below. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!